Hello from Farm Vibes Life. Today, we will explore the vineyards of California to witness the cultivation and harvesting of billions of grapes. Grapes are a significant crop in the United States, growing particularly well in temperate climates such as California, Washington, and Oregon. In California, the majority of vineyards are located primarily in the southern region of the San Joaquin Valley. During January and February, most farms across California are engaged in grape growing. To create a new vineyard, workers drive stakes into the ground to set up automatic irrigation system and support the young vines. After installing the irrigation system, workers dug holes to plant trees. Countless vines begin their journey from the nursery, ready to begin their new chapter here. On each acre, about 900 vines are planted, maintaining a distance of about 7 feet between each plant. In 2021, California boasts approximately 918,000 acres of vineyards, accounting for 95% of the country's total grape growing area. About a month after planting, the vines are tied to stakes to encourage upward growth. Today, most grape varieties grown in California require at least 3 years before they can be harvested for the first time. This image depicts the pruning process in a vineyard that has reached 5 years of age. During the winter months, each branch of this vine is carefully pruned, making way for new shoots to emerge when spring comes. As new branches emerge, the arborist will prune the leaves to focus nutrients on the young shoots. All young sprouts at the base of the plant are carefully eliminated. In May, the transformation begins in California vineyards as grapes start to take shape, with a timeline of approximately 70 days until they reach their optimal ripeness for harvest. Currently, pesticides are used to protect grapes from pests and aphids. To ensure the highest quality grapes during harvest, farm workers prune approximately 30% of the grape clusters. Pruning a handful of grapevines in the vineyard may evoke a sense of regret. Grapes need consistent watering throughout their entire life cycle. In the hot summer, a mature grapevine requires approximately 8 to 10 gallons of water per day. It is time for these grapes to enter a new harvest season. The grape harvesting process at the vineyard is carried out with great care and attention. The grape harvest season in the US typically takes place from August to October, depending on the grape variety and its intended use. Each grape cluster is meticulously selected by these workers, with any that do not meet quality standards being discarded. In the field of winemaking, the timing of the grape harvest is of utmost importance, influenced by factors such as ripeness, sugar content, and acidity levels. Harvesting may be done by hand or with the assistance of modern equipment. In premium vineyards, growers typically hand harvest grapes to avoid bruising, whereas larger operations may use automated harvesters to enhance efficiency. After harvesting, grapes are swiftly transported to processing facilities to prevent spoilage. During the bustling grape harvest season, around 95,000 people gather at the vineyards, earning an average hourly wage of approximately $18. Countless freshly harvested grapes undergo a meticulous inspection process before being packaged. In 2021, California produced 5.9 million tons of grapes, accounting for 95% of the nation's total grape production and generating approximately $5.2 billion in value. This image illustrates the grape harvesting process at a different vineyard. Currently, approximately 48 different grape varieties are cultivated in California. Next, we will explore a vineyard renowned for its winemaking, observing the intricacies of the harvesting process. Grapes, cultivated for winemaking, play an essential role in producing both juice and the art of winemaking. The journey of winemaking begins with the careful selections, cleaning and pressing of grapes to extract the juice for fermentation. The fermentation process can last from several weeks to a few months, followed by aging the wine in oak barrels or stainless steel tanks to enhance its flavors. Lemons are mainly picked by hand to avoid any harm. Farm workers use specialized clippers or carefully hand-pick the fruit to prevent bruising. Strict quality control standards are maintained to ensure the best product quality before processing. After harvesting, lemons are quickly transported to processing plants or storage facilities to ensure freshness and minimize nutrient loss. At the processing facility, lemons undergo a thorough washing process to remove dirt, pesticides, and other residues. Afterward, they are sorted by size, color, and quality. The lemons that meet market standards are carefully packaged for domestic distribution and export. Besides lemons, the peach industry in California plays a vital role in agriculture, serving as a key force in boosting the state's agricultural economy. California is the leading producer of peaches in the United States, contributing more than 70% to the country's total peach production. In California, the cultivation cycle of peach orchards typically begins in late winter when the trees enter a dormant state, preparing for a vibrant bloom in the spring. During the winter months, branches are carefully pruned to remove weak limbs, allowing the trees to grow stronger in the spring. Peaches originate from seedlings or grafted varieties, and it typically takes around 3 to 5 years for the trees to start bearing fruit. During the growth process, farmers consistently engage in activities such as pruning, fertilizing, and ensuring proper irrigation to achieve high yield and quality fruit. In California, the peach landscape is dominated by a delightful array of varieties, featuring the vibrant yellow peaches, the sweet white peaches, and the unique clingstone peaches. The peach harvest season in California spans from May to September, with its peak occurring in July and August. The harvesting process is typically carried out manually to ensure that the fruit remains unblemished. Workers meticulously select each peach, gently placing them into baskets or plastic bins to avoid any surface blemishes. In large-scale farms, modern machinery plays a crucial role in accelerating the harvesting process, thereby minimizing both labor costs and time investment. After harvesting, peaches undergo a sorting process, either in the orchard or at processing facilities to remove any fruit that does not meet quality standards. The selected peaches undergo a meticulous cleaning and packaging process before being sent to the market. Peaches can be enjoyed fresh or processed into various products such as juice, jam, canned peaches, and dried peaches. To ensure peaches are ready for fresh consumption, they are thoroughly washed with water and a mild disinfectant solution, effectively removing dirt and bacteria. After that, they are stored in cold storage at temperatures ranging from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, 32 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure freshness before distribution. Canned peaches are a popular processed delicacy made from California peaches. The peaches undergo a meticulous peeling process with the aid of specialized machines, followed by careful halving or slicing to meet specific product requirements. They are soaked in sugar syrup or fruit juice to retain their vibrant color and delightful flavor. A significant portion of the harvested peaches is processed into dried peaches, catering to both local markets and international exports. Thank you for joining us on this journey through California's vineyards and orchards. Stay tuned for more insights from Farm Vibes Life.